Hey everyone, how are we doing? So today I want to talk to you about something which is actually very close to my heart. I used to go through this a lot, and over time when I figured out why I'm doing it, it's gotten a bit better. So I thought I will share whatever little I gathered from it. And this is, why do we leave things incomplete? And this could be as simple as, we sign up for a class, we pay for it, but we hardly end up going. We sign up for a course, but we don't complete it. And on a conscious level, it's not like we don't want to go, we do, but life happens, something or the other takes over. Either we start falling sick, or work just gets so hectic. It's almost like the universe conspires for us to not complete what we started sometimes. And sometimes, of course, consciously also we withdraw, we drop out. So have you ever wondered, like especially the first one, that we want to, but life happens and we are unable to complete what we started? So, why, even though consciously we realize something is good for us, we're still not able to complete things? The answer for it lies in your subconscious. And a few reasons that why this could happen is, one, there is a part of you which generally has a tendency to run away from things when the going gets tough. So if you are someone who avoids confrontation, who generally escapes when there is even a remote possibility of feeling threatened about not being good enough, or feeling that I am going to get overwhelmed with this and this is not my cup of tea. So that inner child in you, okay, which is used to running away from things because he or she is actually not feeling equipped enough, good enough, empowered enough, and whenever that happens, it runs away. That inner child, or that folder, immediately opens up when you enter something which is new, which could get overwhelming. And sometimes, if you're anything less than the best, you drop it and you just are like, no, I can't do this. And even though consciously the adult wants to do it, then everything in life just conspires around to make it happen, manifests in a way that you're not able to, because that child awakens and he or she takes over, because there is a trauma or there is a flight mechanism associated with not being good enough. 2, there is an association of completion with stagnation. This happens at a very subtle level, that if I complete everything, then what is there to look forward to? There is nothing to look forward to in life, and then what next? And then there's no answer. So somewhere completion gets associated with end, stagnation, even death sometimes. And so you do anything, again at a subconscious level, to not let yourself complete things. There is always, so you'll reach till here and then you leave this much, because then that is the itch which will propel you to the next step. Yeah. So this association often prevents us from completing things we started. And the third is that there could be a karmic backlog, that somewhere you have stood in the way of other people's completions. You may have blocked people from completing what they have started, and which is why now this is a trend in your life. Now understand that this manifests at a very practical level, but the answer lies in these deep-rooted subconscious patterns and associations that get built over time. So once again, we will work on this. Let's work with all these 3 reasons one by one, systematically. So if you feel that this is a manifestation in your life, because I use these 3 and now it's gotten so much better, maybe we can help each other out as well. So let's meet. Let's do this as a 2-hour session. Let's heal our need to leave things incomplete. Yes.